Okay, so the update on the 2017 Escape is I got approval to go ahead and replace the engine. Basically what it ended up happening is it had a cylinder 2 misfire. It's only got 37,000 miles on it. And when I pulled the plug on it, this is what it looked like. Completely rotten. Fuel fouled. Oil all over it.
What up, Dick?
So when I swapped a known good coil over to cylinder 2, the misfire didn't go away. I put a new plug in it, the misfire didn't go away. I ran cylinder 2 up on top dead center, and I did a cylinder leakage test, and I had almost 80% leakage on top dead center. I could hear it coming out the exhaust, and it was just pumping out of the oil cap. So I got two issues going on here. I've got probably a burnt exhaust valve and also a compression issue that did not change. I did a relative compression test through IDS, and it was 18% loss on cranking. So it's way too far. Anything more than 5%, you're going to start getting check engine lights and misfiring and stuff like that. So basically what I've done is I just dismantled everything. I unhooked the engine harness from down in the wheel well, laid the harness over on the engine, took everything out of here, disconnected all the coolant lines, pulled the AC lines over here out of the way, unbolted them from their spot where they go. One goes right there. There's another one that goes right there, and just laid it over. Pulled the drive shaft out of it because it's all-wheel drive. I pulled the CV axle out on this side. No CV axle. I dropped the subframe and stuff out of it. It's sitting out at the back of the vehicle. So everything right now is loose. I gotta pull one fuel line. That's the main fuel line coming in right here. And then the only thing literally you can see here. See the engine rocking? The only thing holding this in is the two motor mounts right now. So this engine's basically ready to come out. And then I'm gonna be swapping in an entire new long block right here. It's the whole engine. Here's the subframe. When I pull the subframe, I pull the tie rod ends at the top. The tie rod ends out at the knuckle. The sway bar link, lower ball joint, the pinch bolt for the steering sector, and then undo the subframe bolts, unplug the power rack, and drop the whole thing out of the bottom of it. So now we're going to go through the process of switching everything over that can be switched over, and then installing this back. So that's the update for the work today. My next video will be with everything together going back in. So this is the beginning of it.